Hi everyone. Today let's talk about carbon. Carbon is a chemical element with the atomic number 6 and the single letter of C. And carbon is a kind of element can form compounds than any other elements. So in our world, there are almost 10 million organic carbon compounds. So this abundance of carbon make it the chemical basis of our life. So you can almost find carbon everywhere in our life. For example, in the atmosphere, there is carbon dioxide. Right? It's very familiar. Yeah. And when we cook meals, we use the natural gas that is methane, which also contain carbons. And there are several forms of carbon in chemistry, that is allotrope. Yeah. It means, for example, the two materials have the same composition but a different chemical structure. So in this case, carbon has two popular allotropes, that is diamond, and the second one is graphite. Diamond is very popular. I think almost every girl loves it. Yeah. And the graphite is much common. You can find it in a pencil. Now, the diamond has a three-dimensional structure, just like some kind of like this. So it has a three-dimensional structure. The diamond is almost the hardest materials in the world, and it's very difficult to produce, so it's very expensive. However, the graphite has a planar structure, that is just like this. I'm not very good at drawing. Yeah. And because it's a planar structure, so the graphite is so soft enough to draw a slick on a piece of paper. It can be used to write. And so we can see in this case, these two materials have the same composition. It's all the carbon. But because of the different chemical structure, the chemical and the physical characters of these two materials are totally different. One is very hard and the other is very soft. Yeah. And next, let's talk about the most simple chemical reaction of carbon, the combustion chemical reaction. And there are two conditions. The first one is when the oxygen is full, is rich, the carbon can be burning completely. The result is the carbon dioxide is produced. So you see, one carbon needs one oxygen to produce one carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide is a kind of, is very important part of the carbon cycle on the Earth, of our Earth. And for example, the plants need to absorb carbon dioxide to produce oxygen that we need. And on the other hand, too much carbon dioxide is harmful because it can act as the greenhouse gas. Yeah, it can accelerate the global warming. And the carbon dioxide has three states: the gas, liquid, and solid. Yeah. Under the standard temperature and pressure, the carbon dioxide is a gas, yeah, in our atmosphere. And when the temperature is cooling to minus 78, the carbon dioxide became a dry ice. is a good cooling agent we used, and we also use these kind of materials on the stage. Yeah. And the second condition is when the oxygen is not rich, is not full. The result is the carbon monoxide is produced. It is a toxic gas, and for humans and for animals, and it can also cause the environmental pollution. So what we need to do is to offer plenty of oxygen to have the carbon have the carbon burn completely to prevent producing this kind of gas. So that's all. Do you have any questions?
One question. Why did we? Sorry. Why we don't die at this moment? Because we are producing CO2, no?
Yeah, that's so true.
So why just we don't die?
CO2 is not toxic. CO1 is toxic.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So there is a little amount of CO2 in the atmosphere. The majority is oxygen and this kind of gas. Yeah.
Nitrogen.
So when are you telling that we need to put a plant in our room?
Yeah, it's
To
good for
live-
health.
to live
yeah,
good?
It's good for health. Yeah.
Ah, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to buy one.
Yeah. I strongly recommend you
Ah.
buy plants in your house. Yeah.
Thank you.
So it's